The first place your client is going to feel the Kansa wand touch is on the very crown of the head, a key point for bringing energy up in the body and asking the nervous system to produce serotonin. That's the chemical message that says, just allow yourself to go deeply into a relaxed state. Many of the mama points on the midline of the head help produce this response, but the crown point is a key point for this kind of relaxation. So gently circling in a clockwise direction on the very crown of the head, holding the Kansa tool, sort of like you were holding a pencil, a very big pencil. We're going to do a minimum of 30 gentle clockwise circles. When I talked about mamas, I said that mamas benefit from gentle touch. You should think of coaxing mamas open rather than kind of attacking them or working on them deeply. Moving on from the crown point, we're going to allow the Kansa to gently roll over the back of her head. And even though you can't feel in quite the same way with your hands, you can definitely feel where there are little bumps and little hollows. Mamas are often in little hollows of the body. So this next mama that we're going to work on is right over the posterior fontanelle. We had two fontanelles when we were newborn, one at the back, one at the front. The one at the front we know is the baby's soft spot. This one at the back is less well known, but it's a fantastic point to use for relieving neck tension. And it's also just something that's very, very comfortable to work on. You know yourself, if your neck is really, really tense, you might not want somebody to be working on it directly. But this point gently unwinds neck tension. However you choose, you can do gentle clockwise circles, aiming to cover the whole of the scalp. What you do on one side, you're going to want to do on the other. When people hear face massage, they often, well, reasonably, never think of their head being addressed so extensively. But it truly makes a difference with the results. And again, it's a really neat, unique kind of experience for a client to have.